Step into a world where soft sunlight, fresh blooms, and cozy textures transform your home into a storybook retreat. In today's video, we're diving into Romanticize Your Home, 7 cozy cottage spring styling secrets, a guide packed with high-impact home decor ideas, spring decorating tips, and cozy cottage aesthetics that viewers across the U.S. are searching for right now. Whether you love farmhouse charm, vintage elegance, or budget-friendly decorating ideas, this journey will inspire you to create a warm, inviting space that feels like a breath of fresh spring air. One of the easiest ways to achieve a cozy cottage home is by layering soft textiles. Think lightweight linen curtains, pastel throw blankets, and floral cushions that add texture without heaviness. This spring decor idea is trending for its ability to create a relaxed, romantic atmosphere. Opt for breathable fabrics in neutral tones or soft florals to reflect natural light beautifully. It's a simple yet high-impact styling trick that instantly elevates your living space while keeping it fresh and inviting. Nothing says cottage charm like vintage decor pieces that feel collected over time. Incorporate thrifted finds like distressed picture frames, antique vases, or weathered wooden trays. These elements not only align with popular, thrifted home decor trends but also add character and authenticity. Mixing old with new creates depth and tells a story, making your home feel curated rather than styled. It's a budget-friendly decorating approach that delivers high aesthetic value. Spring home styling isn't complete without fresh flowers. From wildflower arrangements to classic roses, adding greenery and blooms instantly refreshes your space. Popular YouTube searches highlight spring floral decor ideas, and for good reason. Flowers bring life, color, and a sense of calm. Place them in mason jars, ceramic pitchers, or vintage teacups for that perfect cottagecore aesthetic that feels effortless yet stunning. Design a small nook in your home where comfort meets beauty. A cozy reading corner with a soft armchair, layered blankets, and a small side table can become your personal escape. This idea taps into high RPM keywords like small space decorating ideas and a cozy home inspiration. Add a candle, a stack of books, and warm lighting to complete the look. It's all about creating a space that invites you to slow down and savor the moment. Spring decorating trends in the U.S. lean heavily towards soft neutrals paired with delicate pastels. Think creamy whites, warm beiges, blush pinks, and sage greens. These colors reflect natural light and make your home feel open and serene. Incorporating this palette into your decor through walls, textiles, or accessories creates a timeless cottage aesthetic that feels both modern and nostalgic. Wood, wicker, wrought tan, and stone are essential materials for achieving that cozy cottage vibe. These natural elements are trending in organic modern decor and rustic spring home styling. Use woven baskets, wooden trays, or wrought tan chairs to bring warmth and texture into your space. They ground your decor and create a harmonious connection between indoors and outdoors, which is key for spring styling. Lighting plays a huge role in romanticizing your home. Swap harsh overhead lights for warm, ambient lighting like table lamps, fairy lights, and candles. This cozy lighting idea is a favorite in home ambience tips searches because it instantly transforms the mood of any room. Choose scented candles with floral or fresh notes to enhance the spring atmosphere and create a soothing sensory experience. Sometimes it's the smallest details that make the biggest difference. A neatly styled coffee table, a stack of vintage books, or a delicately placed tray can elevate your entire space. These home styling tips are highly searched because they're easy to implement yet incredibly effective. Focus on balance, symmetry, and layering to create a polished yet relaxed look that feels effortlessly chic. While trends are helpful, the most beautiful homes reflect personal stories. Incorporate items that hold meaning, family heirlooms, travel finds, or DIY decor pieces. Personalization is a growing trend in home decor content because it makes spaces feel authentic and lived in. Your home should not only look beautiful, but also feel uniquely yours, filled with memories and inspiration. You don't need a big budget to achieve a luxurious cottage aesthetic. Shop secondhand, repurpose items you already own, and focus on small upgrades like swapping pillow covers or adding fresh flowers. Affordable home decor ideas and budget-friendly styling tips are among the top-performing keywords, and for good reason. They make beautiful design accessible to everyone. Creativity is your greatest asset here. At the heart of it all, romanticizing your home is about appreciating the little moments: sunlight streaming through curtains, the scent of fresh flowers, and the comfort of a cozy corner. By applying these 7 cozy cottage spring styling secrets, you can transform your space into a peaceful sanctuary that feels both inspiring and deeply personal. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore more cozy home decor inspiration to keep your space blooming all season long.